If you're interested in learning how to tune on the Ecumaster EMU Black, then our Ecumaster worked example in our practical standalone tuning course is going to be perfect for you. In particular, it will show you how to apply the HPA 10-step tuning process on the Ecumaster platform. You'll learn how to set up the trigger inputs to the ECU and how to use the built-in scope function to confirm these inputs. You'll also learn how to correctly configure and test any sensors you've connected to ensure that they're reading correctly. Then you'll learn how to set up the ECU outputs and test to make sure your ignition coils, injectors and any auxiliary outputs are wired and operating properly. From here we'll jump into the tuning process and you'll learn how to navigate the Ecumaster tuning software. You'll learn how to set up your fuel and ignition tables, and you'll learn how to use the built-in logging functionality to help speed up your tuning and be pinpoint accurate when making calibration changes. Lastly, you'll see how to confirm your tune out on the road or racetrack to make sure that everything that you saw on the dyno remains accurate under real-world conditions. While we've presented this worked example using our version 11 Subaru STI, this worked example is going to be perfect for anyone using the Ecumaster platform, regardless of the engine or the car. Click the link for more information.